Hello my friends, welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I'm going to make another classic from my childhood. Anyone who grew up in Russia know this dessert. It's everyone's favorite, but as usual I am going to make it with my own little twist because this dessert is very versatile. So originally it called rings with cottage cheese, but I am going to make them this is rings made with choux pastry and usually filled with sweet cottage cheese mix. I am going to make cream cheese with Nutella. So it's gonna be even more amazing and fantastic. So I'm making again choux pastry. So I finally figured out how to make it in my new oven. I made the choux pastry in my oven before, so it worked. So now I know how. So hopefully, keep my finger crossed, hopefully it will work again this time too. So very standard choux pastry, and we're going to make them in a round form like Paris breast. But we're not going to make Paris breast, we're going to make it much simpler, homemade and delicious. Okay, so I'm starting with choux pastry. So there is milk, butter and tiny bit of sugar, and I'm going to bring it to the boil so my butter is all dissolved. Okay, beautiful. My milk is boiled, my butter is dissolved. Now I put my heat on medium-low heat, and I add all flour at once and start mixing. And I need to mix it a few minutes till everything comes together. And you'll see on the bottom of your pot like a little film, tiny but not burnt. That means your dough is ready. So couple of minutes I need to do this mixing. Now when it's ready, I put it in my mixer bowl. I'll let it cool just a little bit. Now I put my mixer on a medium speed, more medium high speed, and I'm going to add my eggs one by one. So I'm adding my egg, let it incorporate, and then the next one. So I added all my eggs, and now I have to check if my dough is ready. As you remember, our dough is ready when we see lava, triangle lava falling down without breaking. So let's check. No, my dough is still too thick, so I'm going to, actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one egg, mix it together and add it slowly. Maybe I don't need the whole egg. Alright, I added about half an egg, and let's see if it's enough. I think it's enough, because we don't want our dough too liquidy. Yes, that's beautiful. That's what we need. My oven is preheated to 360 Fahrenheit, and they're gonna bake about 25-30 minutes. So you'll see how they golden brown color and crispy and hollow inside. That means they're ready. Okay, now I'm moving my dough to my piping bag. I have a start tip in my piping bag. Beautiful. And now I'm going to pipe just like medium size rings, not too big, not too small. And now I'm going just to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar, so they're gonna be crispy and beautiful. Okay, they're ready to go to the oven, and I'll see you in 30 minutes. But while they're baking, we're going to make our delicious cream with Nutella. Okay, while our rings are baking, I'm going to make a cream. Actually, these rings you can also make savory. You can make it like cream cheese with goat cheese, with some salmon, like so many possibilities. Like I said, they're very versatile, amazing. So I have here about 150 grams of cream cheese. You can add more. That's all I had for now. So there is cream cheese, soft cream cheese, room temperature, and Nutella. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna add just a couple of like good two like full tablespoons. Everything is room temperature, and now I'm gonna mix it and we'll see how it goes. And then slowly I'm going to add cream. Cream should be cold from the fridge. Basically, you need to make enough cream to fill all your rings. And of course, I don't add sugar because we have Nutella there. That's enough sweetness. I like the quality, but I'm not sure about quantity. Yeah, I probably need more. I'm going to add a little bit more Nutella and cream. Alright, my cream is beautiful, and now it's like really nice peaks. So now we just have to bake our rings and wait till then they cool a little bit. That's it. Look at them, aren't they beautiful? And they nice and empty inside. They almost cool down. So now I'm going to get my cream and we'll start to fill our beautiful rings. How beautiful they are. They came out perfect. The only thing is my cream is a little too liquidy. I don't know if I overwhipped my cream or I added too much whipping cream. I don't know, but they are beautiful. And like I said, you can add any filling you like. Okay, I can't wait. Let's taste them. Heaven. They're so crunchy, and this soft cream works amazingly. It's just heaven. Okay guys, go and make them and enjoy. So good. I hope you like this video. Recipe will be down below in the description box. Very easy. Make them, enjoy them, and stay tuned. And I'll see you in my next video. Put your thumbs up, subscribe. Please support my channel. It's important if you subscribe, if you like, if you comment. Okay, my friends, I love you, and I'll see you next time.